Manipur Legislative Assembly gi Meepham ama athubada Kouduna houjik thokliba Irang Asigi waroishin puraknabagi demand da CPI da mass hunger strike Chatharagani haina CPI gi National Secretary Comrade Palap Sengupta na phongdorakli hiram asigi matang ngase CPI Manipur State Sinduna Gandhi Avenue da laiba Hotel Nimla da pangthokhiba pau gi Meepham amada wafam ase phongdokladuna Palap Sengupta na hai Irang Asigi waroishin am Puraknaba lamdam asida amuk hana tangdu laitaba hanjil halakpa haibasina CPI ahanba khongthang ne Manipur gi housing oriba political situation amadi lamdam asida housing oriba tangdu laitadaba fibam asigi matang da ngarang Extended Executive Committee CPI Manipur gi oiba Meepham ama pangthoke Security Agency singi mapanggal yamna kaliba Government of India na tha nipal helaklaba Manipur gi Irang loishinba ngamdriba ase political will leitabagi ne Misi mina kaya thokliba Irang Asigi waroishin ama puraknaba asina Irang Asigi khudong chaba lauraga mikhal mai paknaba honarabra haibase ngasidi miyamna hangdarakle amaromda mikhaldi ngaiba yai adubo Manipurda thokliba Irang asidi athuba matamda loishinba tangai fade haibaside laingak pairiba amadi miyamna amato oina khangminnagadabane Palestinian singna mi lising kaya sidaba matungda Israel na ceasefire lauthokadawribano haina hangnabagum ngaside Manipur gi miyamnasu mi kaya yamna sidaba matungda lamdam asida Prime Minister Narendra Modi na laktuna Irang Asigi waroishin puraknadawribano haina hangnarakle thokliba Irang Asigi matang ngasi fawba India gi Prime Minister khangsen usinnadana leiriba asigi mahut lamdam asida laktuna nakal ani gi marakta wari sabituna Irang Asigi waroishin puraknaba honabiyo Loinana lamdam asigi Chief Minister raso Irang Asigi waroishin puraknaba honabada matik chaba action lokhipiyo haina so mahana makata sinke Mahana makata na hai Irang Asigi waroishin puraknaba honadaba Assembly Meepham kaubagi tangai fadaba leirakle Maram aduna athuba matamda Assembly Meepham ama kaubituna Irang Asigi waroishin puraknaba honabiyo Loinana Irang Asigi haurafongi matangda CPI na historian singa tanaduna miyam mamangda amade Political parties singi mamangda document ama putoktuna punak khanamminabagi tanja ama lauragadi nakal amaromda miyamda achumba pau pinabagi damak thabak toriba pauche anigi editor police na fajiluba ase CPI na kanam tawe makhatana asigumba thawong ase chathabiganu hainaso mahana makhatana phongdoke
State government, central government, both governments should act to restore the peace and normalcy in Manipur. Why people of Manipur from both sides, all community will be victim of such situations. And I just wanted to say India is not a banana republic. India's security agencies are very strong. They don't have any political will, neither state government nor central government, to stop this violence. Maybe they are looking for the coming election and to use this violence as an opportunity for them to win the elections, because it has something to do with these forthcoming elections also. That is our party belief.